Hi, in today's video, which is part of hashtag Can Your DB Do It series, we're going to see how jbloxDB can be used to retrieve even deleted data. So here's the get operation that we're going to do. So as you can see, for this customer ID, get operation returns this data. Just to make sure that data is written, let me change customer ID. Now there are no records by this customer ID. We revert it back, and okay. So this is the record, and here this 00 indicate that this is very much live record. It has not been marked as deleted. And here you can see the primary key is a customer ID. So we're going to use this information to delete the record. Let me go and delete it. So now I'm going to delete this record with customer ID as same as that we use for get operation. Done. So looks like a record has been deleted. So let's go back to get operation and check it. Okay, now there are no more records for this customer ID. That means that record has been deleted, or in jbloxDB language we may say that it has been marked as deleted. So we can't get record back if using get operation, but we can still get access to the record. Those have been marked deleted. So we're going to use get hist operation for that, the same customer ID, and now let me do that. Okay, now you can see that in get operation the those initial two bits were 00, but now there's 20. That means record has been marked deleted, but we can still see all the record, and not only record, the history of the record is also preserved. So that's how you can get access to deleted records for compliance perspective. So jbloxDB is not just another option available to you right now to replace your existing database with a more compliance ready database. It's probably among very few databases that has compliance readiness built in. Thank you.